Sir, could you just tell us in brief what is this exhibition all about?
Welcome to Indian Cartoon Gallery, first of its kind in India. This is 196th exhibition at our gallery. Mr. Dave Brown is a very popular cartoonist in England. He is working with the Independent daily newspaper there, and he is very popular among the world cartoonists also. And his cartoons are full of wit and humor. And I have been contacting him since many years, and I have been appreciating his cartoons. And we have been contacting each other and appreciating our works. Then last 2 months back, I insisted him to participate in our gallery, send selected best cartoons from your archives. He readily agreed, and he has sent 60 of the best of his political cartoons, and here it is all at our gallery. 60 of his political cartoons are displayed here till the 20th, till the end of this week.